Wave dance on the shore, a sight so rare. Sunlight glints like diamonds, a dazzling flare. Raindrops kiss the air, a gentle embrace. Nature's magic weaves through every space. Creativity blooms like wildflowers bright. In every heart a spark of light. Yet human hearts, they are hard to read, full of joy and sorrow, love and dread. Oh, the wonders and woes of life we face, from oceans deep to mountains high. In every moment we find our place, amid nature's beauty we thrive. Artists paint the world,
Artists paint
in vibrant hues.
vibrant hues.
Each stroke a story,
Stroke a story.
a new truth.
True.
Yet in the crowd,
Get in the crowd.
we often lose
Often lose
our true self
ourselves.
out in abuse.
In abuse.
Stars twinkle up above, a guiding light.
Guiding light.
Through the chaos,
Through the chaos.
a peaceful sight. Though we're complex, we can unite in harmony. Our spirits ignite all the wonders and woes of life we face, from oceans deep to mountains high. In every moment we find our place, set amidst nature's beauty we thrive.
In every tear.
A river starts to flow,
In every smile.
the sun begins to glow.
We rise from shadow.
We break the mold
Break the mold.
in every soul. A hero is told. Oh, the wonders and woes of life he faced, from oceans deep to mountains high. In every moment we find our place.